Welcome to Khadija's world. Today we are gonna read Elmo Says Achoo. Elmo has a present. What is it? No one knows. He is taking it to Oscar. It tickles Elmo's nose. Achoo! Elmo sneezes down below all the clothes. Bert is stacking cans. He stacks them neat and tall. Achoo! Elmo sneezes. All the soup cans fall. Elmo seizes a person in the barber chair. Achoo! Elmo sneezes. Down falls all the hair. Look at what we built. The happy monster called. Achoo! Elmo sneezes. Down falls the wall. Here comes a parade. The circus is in town. Achoo! Elmo sneezes. The clowns all tumble down. Elmo visits Oscar to give the grouch his gift. A stinkweed plant, says Oscar, the best I ever sniffed. Oscar finds his hanky. Then what does he do? Oscar grins a grouchy grin and then he says, Achoo! I hope you enjoyed the story. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share, subscribe.